Hello friends, I am Sharad Zadav. Today I am going to teach or give the information on the topic of urbanization, the concept of urbanization and world pattern of urbanization. So our topic is urbanization. Urbanization is the process of becoming urban. In other words, it is demographic process whereby an increasing proportion of population of a region or a country lives in urban areas. Urbanization is linked to industrialization. In general, urbanization is associated with the concentration of population in town and cities. There are, however, three linked concepts which are associated with urbanization, and they are: first, demographic phenomena; second, structural change in society; and then third, urbanization as a behavioral process. As a demographic phenomena, urbanization is interpreted as a process involving the absolute and relative growth of town and cities within a definite areas. The demographic process is the structural change in the society consequent upon the development of industrial capitalism. The third concept associated with urbanization is that urbanization as a behavioral process. Urban areas, especially large cities, have been identified as a center of social change, attitudes, values, and behavioral pattern are modified. Urban settlement. The definition of urban settlement is, however, a difficult one. Most of the countries define their urban settlements on the basis of minimum qualifying size of population. The size may vary from country to country. In Canada, all settlements with more than 1,000 population are called urban. In other hand, in USA, urban settlements have more than 2,500 people. In India, in the census of 1991, the urban settlements have been defined on the basis of the following criteria, and they are: A. All places with a municipality, corporation, cantonment board, or notified town area committee, etc. B. All other places which satisfy the following criteria: 1. A minimum population of 5,000. Second, at least 75% of male working population engaged in non-agricultural sectors. Third, a density of population of at least 400 persons per square kilometer. Then, world patterns of urbanization. Ever since the emergence of the first urban center on the world scene, the urban population has been growing more rapidly than the rural population. Consequently, the share of urban population in the total population of world has been increasing. This increase in the share of urban population was only gradual until the Industrial Revolution. After Industrial Revolution and in 20th century, the rate of urbanization is rapidly increased. The growth pattern of urbanization in the world has been shown in following table. So the following table showing the world pattern of urbanization or the growth of urbanization of the world. So here there are given 3 columns. One which is showing the year, second world total population in million, and then third column which is showing urban population in percentage. So the year of 1800, the total world population was 907 million, and out of total population 2.4% population was urban. In the year of 1900, the total world population was 1610 million, and out of total population 9.2% population was urban population. In the year of 1950, the total world population was 2509 million, and the percentage of urban population was 20.9%. In 1991, the total world population was 5234 million, and the percentage of urban population was 43%. And the year of 2001, the total world population was 6,325 million, out of which 48% population was urban. And in the year of 2025, it is a projected figure, the total population of world in 2025 year will become 8,039 million, and the percentage of urban population will become 57%. The continent-wise percentage of urban population have been given in the following table. So the second table showing the continent-wise urban population. So here there are given four columns. The first column showing the name of continent, second column the year 1991, third column the year of 2000, and fourth column the year of 2025. So here there is given the continents of urban population in percentage. The urban population in 1991 was 43%. It is an increase and became 50% in the year of 2000, and in 2025 the projected figure will, or the urban population will become 57%. The continent of Africa, the urban in 1991 34% population was urban. In 2000, the year of 2000, 38.5% population was urban of Africa continent, and in 2025 it will become 49.6% population, particularly urban population. Then the continent of Europe in 1991 the urban population was 75.2%. In the year of 2000, the urban population of Europe continent was 75%, and in the year of 2025 it will become 90% of population of Europe continent will be become urban. In the continent of Anglo-America, in 1991, 78.2% population was urban. In the year of 2000, 80.5% population was urban, and it will become 86% population of urban in 2025. The continent of Latin America, in the year of 1991, 66.4% population was urban. In the year of 2000, 68.5% population was urban, and the 75% population will become urban in the year of 2025. It is a projected figure. The continent of Asia, in 1991, 34% population was urban. In the year of 2000, 38.8% population was urban, and 50% population of Asia continent will become urban in the year of 2025. Then the continent of Oceania, in the year of 1991, 70.4% population was urban. In the year of 2000, 72.5% population was urban, and it will become 75.3% population will become urban in the year of 2025. It is a projected figure. So you can conclude that if you see carefully the table, the continent of Europe, Anglo-America, Latin America, and Oceania, the urbanization or the figure of urbanization is rich than the continent of Asia, Africa, because the percentage of urban population is more in the continent of Europe, Anglo-America, and Latin America comparing to the Asia and Africa. So, thank you.